Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to unlock the bootloader on your Nokia 8 Sirocco. To unlock your bootloader, it will require several steps. It's not that easy of a process, so let's begin. At first, you'll need to turn your phone on and go to the settings to see a few things. So go to your system and then go to about phone. Now we'll need to read a few things. Basically, all we should read is go to model and hardware, and then you'll find two things here. You see the model and the serial number. It's worth to write down both of them on your computer. So I'm just gonna open some notepad or something like that. So let's maybe go to the computer already, because we'll need to use the computer for a moment. Hold on a second, I messed up. Okay, yeah. So now, as you can see, I'm in the notepad. Let's write down the model. It's TA1004 in my case, but in your case it may be different. Just write your own one. And the serial number, in my case it is NB1GAD1771716 and I'm gonna leave it like that in the notepad, and let's go to the browser because we'll need two things. So go to browser, open Google Chrome, and find our website. Find our website, HardReset.Info, and then go to download. In the download, cancel that. If there's an ad, just close it, whatever. Okay, so we are in the download, and you should type in Nokia first. And you can see there is the Nokia HMG smartphone drivers. Simply download them, click on download, then click on download here. If there's an ad, of course, let's close it. Okay, let's click on save. Now download again, and this time search for ADB. Type in ADB, click on enter, and now you'll find Mini ADB and Fastboot with drivers. Click on download and click on download here. Now let's go to our file explorer, go to downloads, and right click on the Nokia HMG, go to extract all, then click on extract, and do the same with Android Fastboot drivers. So like that, extract all, extract, and now let's first install the Nokia drivers. Simply double click here on the driver, then click on install. Wait a little moment, it's gonna install your driver. Also, after that, go to the Fastboot drivers, go to here, and you'll have 3 files here. Go through all of them. We've selected 3 because they make it work with all computers and all Windows computers and all Nokia phone, basically all phones. So that is great. Let's set up everything. Let's click on next here. I already have the program. I'm just gonna click on repair, whatever. Okay, that doesn't matter for me. Let's retry. Okay, finish. And the last one here, finish. Okay, you can see it is done. So we have everything installed. and we'll be able to continue. Now you'll need to go to a website that will let you unlock your bootloader. Now that website's name is a little complex. I'm just gonna find it. Okay, it's hikarialyx.com, I believe. I'm gonna try to link it down in the description down below, but if I forget about it, then I've just spelled the link for you. You can see the name is right here, just .com at the end. And now let's scroll down to Nokia HMG Nokia service, explore more, then click on get started, proceed anyway, and now make sure that the model that you've written down, that your model is on the list somewhere here. So in my case it is here. Yeah, it is here, right here. And that's great. Let's click on yes, it's listed. Now simply scroll down, enter your email address, okay, I've made a little mistake. Okay, it's fine. And now your serial number, remember that it is case sensitive, so make sure that you enter it correctly. Agree to the terms, click to verify here, complete the puzzle like that to just align it properly, click on submit. And now you can simply click on download mega and download this file. So let's click on three dots, download as a zip file or just standard download, it doesn't really matter. I think I could have selected the standard download, but never mind. Now it's gonna tell us everything here, but I think you can just watch the video, right, since you're already watching it, because also like there's a lot of things here that tell you a lot of things, and you know, I don't really think that you need to really do all of these things as long as you're following the video. Let's right click on the file that we've downloaded, extract all, and extract. And now we have our files, right? So we'll begin, but before we do that, I would actually recommend that you went to the folder. You can rename it if you want to something simple like Nokia. Then place it in your local disk C. So let's just place it in my local disk C, just so there's no spaces in the directory. You'll see like, you know, for example, if I go to my downloads, you can see, you can't see, but for some directories there is a space in my case, and if in your case there is as well, you just don't really want that. That will destroy everything. So let's begin. Let's simply open the file now. So we'll need to go to the local disk C, go to Nokia, and now hold on a second, I just want to put that somewhere else. Let's open the file, this one. Click on run. And now let's connect our phone in the Fastboot mode. Now Fastboot mode, or download mode, whatever you want to call it, is something that, hold on a second, I need to find a cable. Is something that will let your phone communicate with the computer. So in order to put our phone in the download mode, you'll need to first shut it down, press and hold on power button, and then tap on power off. And now plug in the cable that is connected to your computer and start pressing and holding on the power and volume down button. I can see it's already in the download mode, which is weird. I think you should have just pressed and held for a little longer. Just power and volume down, you know, while having the cable plugged in. And you can see it should display download mode. Now, you can see it read all the data. Let's click on Y on the keyboard to confirm. And now it is finished. So it is rebooting. And remember, okay, now we'll need to unlock the bootloader. So to do it, we'll need to use the volume buttons to select unlock the bootloader and click on the power key to confirm. Now we'll need to power off the phone. So let's press and hold on power and volume down. Keep pressing. Let's reconnect it. Keep holding for a little longer. I think it should be fine, although I'm not sure. Yeah, okay, so now it is doing everything. Let's click on Y. Now select 1. So just type in Y on your keyboard. Wait a little moment. And I think that should be working already. We'll see everything. Okay, and now when you see the welcome screen on your phone, press Y on the keyboard, but let's wait. Okay, now we can press on Y on the keyboard. Hold for a moment, it's gonna reboot your phone. The program is finished now. We can press on the power key to continue or just wait for 5 seconds. Okay, it'll wait anyway, so okay. And as you can see, it is going to be done now. Let's see everything. Okay, let's set up our phone real quick so we can just see if it was unlocked. I'm gonna skip the Wi-Fi connection because it's gonna make the process quicker. Now let's click on next, accept. I'm gonna skip that, skip, whatever. Of course you can set it up as you want. Okay, I'm gonna click on now here. Just skip that. Okay. And now if we go to the settings, I believe that if you go to system and go to about phone, before we do that, connect to Wi-Fi. So let's connect to Wi-Fi now. Click on connect. Now it is connected. Let's go down, system, about phone, click on build number 7 times, the one at the very bottom. Now go back, go to advanced, developer options, then it'll tell you under OEM unlocking that the bootloader is already unlocked. so it's not working. And I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.